A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development in the ongoing saga surrounding Alex Murdaugh, the disgraced South Carolina attorney has reached a settlement in a wrongful death lawsuit connected to a tragic boat crash that claimed the life of 19-year-old Mallory B. The settlement, which involves a payment of $500,000 from an insurance policy held by Murdaugh, brings to a close a case that has not only exposed the depths of Murdaugh's financial misdeeds, but also laid bare the dark circumstances that led to the deaths of his wife and son. The incident in question occurred in February 2019 when Paul Murdaugh, Alex's youngest son, was allegedly driving a boat while under the influence, resulting in a crash against a Beaufort County bridge. Mallory B lost her life in the accident, and several other passengers sustained injuries. Investigators revealed that Paul had a blood alcohol level exceeding 0.28%, which is more than 3 times the legal limit. Following the boat crash, Beach's family initiated legal action against the Murdaugh family and various parties connected to the incident. They have already secured over $15 million in settlements from multiple sources, including the convenience store chain Parker's Kitchen and the bar that served Paul alcohol prior to the crash. The family's pursuit of justice has been relentless, revealing a web of negligence and irresponsibility that extends beyond just the Murdaughs. However, the settlement with Murdaugh's insurer, Progressive, faced delays due to a stipulation that required Alex Murdaugh to be dropped as a defendant in the Beach family's lawsuit. It wasn't until special receivers ensured that all of Murdaugh's assets were accounted for that the settlement was finalized. Judge Daniel Hall confirmed this development in a court order filed earlier this week. This lawsuit is part of a larger narrative that has engulfed Murdaugh's life, particularly following the shocking murders of his wife, Maggie, and son, Paul, in June 2021. Murdaugh has been sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole for these murders, which prosecutors described as a calculated move to evade financial scrutiny stemming from the wrongful death suit related to the boat crash. Murdaugh's financial troubles have been extensive. He admitted to embezzling around $12 million from his law firm and clients, including funds meant for a quadriplegic man and a trust for children of accident victims. His actions have led to a 40-year federal prison sentence for these crimes, highlighting the extent of his deceit and the collapse of a once prominent legal dynasty. As the legal proceedings have unfolded, it has become clear that Murdaugh's family held significant influence over the local judicial system for decades. The so-called boat case has revealed cracks in their long-standing control over Hampton County, a region where they had wielded power in both criminal and civil courts. The aftermath of the boat crash has also raised troubling questions about the Murdaugh family's attempts to manipulate the narrative surrounding the incident. Reports indicate that after the crash, Paul and Alex Murdaugh allegedly sought to speak with hospital staff in private, seemingly attempting to shift blame away from Paul as the driver of the boat. During the murder trial, Beach's attorney, Mark Tinsley, testified that he sought a $10 million settlement from Murdaugh, who claimed to be financially incapacitated and could only offer $1 million. This disparity raised eyebrows, considering Murdaugh's previous lifestyle and the ostentatious displays of wealth that contradicted his claims of bankruptcy. As the investigation into the boat crash and subsequent events continued, Murdaugh's actions on the night of the murders became a focal point for prosecutors. They argued that he was working on a financial statement in anticipation of a court hearing related to the Beach lawsuit, suggesting that he feared the exposure of his financial wrongdoing. This anxiety, they claimed, may have contributed to the tragic decision to murder his family members. The details surrounding the murders are chilling. Murdaugh shot his son, Paul, with 2 shotgun blasts and his wife, Maggie, with multiple rifle shots outside their home. Following the killings, Murdaugh called 911, claiming he discovered the bodies after visiting his ailing mother. His narrative raised questions, especially as he pondered whether his anger over the boat crash had motivated the violent act. As the dust continues to settle on this harrowing case, the settlement in the wrongful death suit marks a significant, albeit grim, chapter in the Murdaugh saga. It underscores the tragic consequences of reckless behavior and the lengths to which individuals may go to protect their interests, even at the cost of their loved ones and their legacy. The fallout from the Murdaugh family's actions will likely reverberate through South Carolina for years to come, serving as a cautionary tale about the intersection of privilege, power, and accountability. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.